Toronto has this vibe, this life to it. It has its own spirit, and I really connect to it. George Brown's location, it's basically in the heart of the city. I found out that George Brown had the Italian program. 4 months in Italy, it was a no-brainer. I worked in a Michelin star restaurant, and I learned to live in Italy like a local, shopping at markets, eating pastries literally every single day. In my first year, there was this opportunity to have an internship with Anna Olson, and the networking from that experience helped lead me to certain paths, including being on Chopped, which completely changed my life.
First up, Chef Tanya Ganasidi.
I'm the fish cook at Cafe Blue in the Four Seasons Hotel in Toronto.
It was a big time life changer, perspective maker, was completely due to a teacher that I had at George Brown. Now I own my own business. I do consulting, product development, recipe development. I am the happiest I've ever been, pushing myself to a point of discomfort and then going beyond that discomfort. That is where the true lessons are learned, and that's what George Brown was for me.